everyone. Welcome back to Daily Life English. My name is Emma, and I am very happy to speak with you today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dom. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your time.
Maybe you are drinking coffee right now. Maybe you are resting after work. Maybe you are practicing English before bed. Wherever you are, we are glad you are here.
Yes. And before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily Life English. When you subscribe, you can improve your English step by step with us.
Also, if you enjoy this episode, please like the video and leave a comment. Your support helps our channel grow.
Emma, can you tell us what we are talking about today?
Of course. Today's topic is everyday challenges and how to overcome. Dom, can you explain what that means?
Yes. Today, we will talk about normal problems in daily life, not big disasters, not dramatic events, just everyday struggles, small problems that feel big sometimes.
Yes, things like feeling tired, feeling stressed, not having enough time, losing motivation, or feeling afraid to try something new.
Exactly. And most importantly, we will talk about how to overcome these challenges in simple and practical ways.
I love this topic because everyone has challenges. No one has a perfect life.
That is true. Even people who look successful have daily struggles.
Yes, and sometimes knowing that we are not alone makes us feel better. Let's start with something very common. You wake up in the morning, your alarm rings. You open your eyes, and you feel tired.
Yes. Your body is awake, but your heart is not ready.
Exactly. You look at your phone, you see messages, you think about work, you think about school, and suddenly you feel heavy.
That feeling is very normal. It is called lack of motivation.
Let's explain the word motivation. Motivation is the reason or energy that makes you want to do something.
When motivation is low, everything feels difficult.
So, what can we do?
First, remember this phrase. Take it one step at a time.
This means do not think about the whole day. Do not think about all your problems. Just focus on one small action.
For example, instead of thinking, I have 8 hours of work, you can think, I will brush my teeth.
Yes. Then, after brushing your teeth, you say, now I will eat breakfast.
Small steps reduce pressure.
Let me share something personal. Sometimes I feel very tired in the morning. I don't want to exercise. I don't want to work. I just want to stay in bed.
That sounds very honest.
So I tell myself, Emma, just stand up. That's it. Not exercise, not work, just stand up.
And does it work?
Yes, because once I stand up, I feel slightly stronger. Then I wash my face. Then I feel fresh.
That is a powerful lesson. Action creates energy.
Yes, that is another important sentence. Action creates energy.
Now, let's talk about something very modern, comparing yourself to others.
Ah, yes, social media makes this problem bigger.
You open your phone, you see someone traveling, someone buying a new car, someone getting a promotion.
And you think, why is my life not like that?
Exactly. This can create frustration.
Let's explain the word frustration. Frustration is a feeling of anger or disappointment because something is not going the way you want.
When you compare too much, you forget your own journey.
Here is a useful phrase. Focus on your own path.
Your path means your life direction.
Everyone moves at a different speed. Some people succeed early. Some people succeed later.
Success is not a race.
Exactly. Let me ask you, Dom. Have you ever compared yourself to someone?
Yes, many times, especially when I was younger. I saw friends earning more money than me. I felt behind.
And what did you learn?
I learned that comparison steals happiness.
That is very powerful.
When I stopped comparing, I felt more peaceful.
Peace is important for mental health. Now, let's talk about fear of failure.
This is a big one.
First, vocabulary word. Failure. Failure means not achieving your goal.
Many people do not try new things because they are afraid of failing.
For example, someone wants to start a small business, but they think, what if I lose money?
Or someone wants to speak English in public, but they think, what if I make mistakes?
Here is a useful phrase. Failure is part of learning.
If you never fail, you never grow.
Yes. Think about a child learning to ride a bicycle. The child falls many times.
But the child does not say, I will never try again.
Exactly. Adults are more afraid than children.
Maybe we think too much.
Yes. Overthinking creates fear.
Let's explain overthinking. Overthinking means thinking too much about a problem in a negative way.
Sometimes we imagine bad results that may never happen.
So, what is the solution?
Try. Even if you are afraid, try.
Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage means acting even when you feel fear.
That is beautiful. Another common challenge is feeling stuck. Yes, feeling like your life is not moving forward.
You go to work, you come home, you sleep, and the next day is the same.
That routine can feel boring.
Let's explain routine. Routine means a regular way of doing things.
Routine is not bad, but sometimes we need change.
Even small change helps.
For example, try a new hobby, read a new book, learn 5 new English words.
Or take a different road to work.
Small changes create new energy.
Here is a helpful phrase. Step out of your comfort zone.
Comfort zone means a place or situation where you feel safe and comfortable.
Growth happens outside the comfort zone.
Dom, when you think about everyday challenges, what is the most important lesson you learned?
I learned that problems are temporary.
Temporary means not permanent.
Yes, a bad day does not mean a bad life.
That is such an important reminder.
What about you?
I learned that mindset is powerful.
Mindset means the way you think.
Yes, if you think, I cannot do this, you stop. But if you think, this is hard, but I will try, you move forward.
Emma, when you feel stressed, what do?
I clean my room.
Really?
Yes, when my life feels messy, I clean something small.
That is interesting. When I feel stressed, I open the fridge.
Does the fridge give good advice?
No, but it gives chocolate.
Chocolate cannot solve all problems.
No, but it can improve 5 minutes of life.
Today, we talked about everyday challenges.
We talked about low motivation, comparison, fear of failure, feeling stuck, and stress.
We learned useful phrases. Take it one step at a time. Focus on your own path. Failure is part of learning. Step out of your comfort zone. Action creates energy.
And we learned vocabulary words like motivation, frustration, failure, routine, overthinking, mindset, and temporary.
Remember, challenges are normal. They do not mean you are weak.
They mean you are human.
Try to speak about your own challenges in English. You can say, one challenge I face is, and continue.
Practice slowly. Speak clearly. Do not worry about mistakes.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe to Daily Life English.
Tell us in the comments, What challenge are you working on right now?
Thank you so much for listening.
We believe in your progress.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.